everybody, welcome back to our live. This is our third game ngayong gabi sa ating Element. This is the battle between San Juan Central versus the Salapan Integrated School. Good luck for both teams.
Marlin goal!
Tol, wala talaga yun.
Marlin goal! Lan, buksan!
Sayang, makakasama ko sa iyo, sir.
Uy,
Muna! Yan, muna! Muna, ano?
let's go! First ball, mapupunta sa Salapan. Number 1, no good. Ayan na. And that's a traveling. Oh, steal by De La Cruz. Steal. Outlet pass, number 1, derecho. And the first basket para sa San Juan Central. Oh, steal by number 13. Number 13, pass to number 24, pass to number 8, top of the key. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz. Uy, naka-recover. Get the shot, no good. Ayan na, steal by Salapan. Steal by number 24. From corner, bang! 3-point para kay Aki Marcos. Ayan na, number 15. Number 7, basket. May puntos na rin dito ang Salapan Integrated School. Number 13, pass to Aki. Marcos, steal. Ayan na, nagmamadali all the way, no good. Rebound ng Central. Number 8, oopsie, steal by Garce and out of bounds. Bola rito ng San Juan Central. Number 7, running shot, no good. Rebound again by number 7, and there's a foul by De La Cruz. That's pushing foul on the free throw area. Jersey number 7. First shot is good. Second shot is good. 7-2 ang ating talaan. Bola ng Salapan. Oopsie, bad pass. Aki. Marcos. Crossover. Pinasa loob. Kick out to number 13. Fake. Running shot. No good. Rebound by number 7. Using the glass. Basket is good. 9-2. In favor pa rin sa San Juan Central. Garce. Pass to number 17. Tinas sa corner. De La Cruz for 3. No good. And that's a 3 seconds violation. Bola ng Central. Marcos, may tanga ng bola. Tinas sa corner, fake. And that's a traveling violation. Timeout. Salapan. Yan natin ang huddle ng Salapan. Time remaining 6 minutes and 9 seconds. Okay, back to the ball game. Bola rito ng Salapan Integrated School. Garce, may tanga na bola. Garce. Whoa. There's a foul, number 7. Pass to De La Cruz, 4-3. Short. Rebound by number 11. Pass to number 13. Pinas sa corner. Short. Number 7. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Custodio. Pass to. Bad pass. Steal by De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Bad pass. Steal. Naka-recover si number 21. Pass to Garce. Kaya kay numbers 57. Steal. Outlet pass. Number 1, Marcos. What an extra pass. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha ng Salapan. Ay na, number 15. No good. Rebound by number 7. And that's a double dribble. Mandatory substitution. Second 5 po tayo. Time remaining 4 minutes and 46 seconds. Bola ng Salapan, bola ng green. Bola nyo, bola nyo. Green ball, green ball. Ayan na. There's a foul. That's number 22, Medina. Short. Second shot para kay number 21. No good. Bola ng Salapan. Medinas. Foul steal. Ay na, Nolasco. What an extra pass. Basket. 11-2. Another steal by Nolasco. Whoa, block. Bola ng San Juan Central. Naglalaro ka rin? Ano yan? 2, 4, 6, 7, 7 na. Coach? 7. Bali 12 lahat. 12 lahat. Kasama na sa loob ah. 12 lahat. Thank you, coach. Nolasco! Wala! Rebound! Ayun na, si Nolasco, but there's a foul. Time out, San Juan Central or San Juan Integrated School. Tayo natin ang huddle ni Coach Dan Nolasco. Time remaining 3 minutes and 4 seconds. Okay, back to the ball game. Bola ng Central. Using the glass. Basket is good. Ayun na, lumalaki na po ang kalamangan ng San Juan Integrated School. Still, Nolasco. What an extra pass. Number 9, kick out. To number 21, catch and shoot. Wala. Rebound. Number 28, wala pa rin. Rebound dito ng Salapan. Ayun na si Medina. Medina, steal. But there's a foul, offensive foul para sa San Juan Integrated School. Oh, steal. Number 28, pass to Nolasco. Wala. Rebound. By number 23. So, see, out of bounds. Time remaining 1 minute and 50 seconds. Nolasco, pinigay sa elbow. From the corner, 3, short. Rebound ng Salapan. Another steal. Nolasco, top of the key for 3. Yes, sir. Para sa 3 by Nolasco. Ay na, nag-aagawan. Number 21, pass to Nolasco. Nolasco with a floater, using the board. Basket yan. 18-2. In favor pa rin sa San Juan Integrated School. Ay na, pass to Medina. Medina, and there's a foul. Time remaining, last 59 seconds. Bola ng San Juan. Nolasco, no good. Rebound. Out of bounds. Bola ng Salapan. Pass to Medina. Medina. Blocking foul. Bola ng Salapan dito. Bad pass, steal by number 28. Pass to Nolasco. Number 25, basket. 22-2. Another steal para sa San Juan Central. Using the glass, wala. There's a foul. Number 3, that's Nolasco. Time remaining, last 20 seconds po. Oh, that's a jump ball. Bola ng San Juan Central. Last 12 seconds. 12.6 seconds remaining. Gets that 3. Wala. Rebound. Pinasa sa corner. 4-3. Wala. Rebound. 1. Tira. Okay, and there you have it. End of the first quarter. Official score 22 in favor of San Juan Integrated School. Tagal ah?
Tagal.
Hindi.
5%. Kanino to?
Baka nakabukas ka na, ano?
Kanino to?
Sige, sige, dyan ka. Baka nakabukas na ano mo pare. Tanggalin mo muna yung data mo. Ayun, nakabukas na tayo. Okay, second quarter tayo. Let's go. Ano lang? Sino?
May dalawang player ka pa di napapasok.
Sino hindi pa nakapasok? Dalawa pa daw po.
Isa na lang.
Oh, isa lang.
Isa na lang hindi namin napasok.
Bimbol,
Napas
bimbol,
ka na,
bimbol.
napas ka na. Napas ka na. Napas ka na. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. Let's going to the second quarter. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol ang Salapan dito. Let's go. Bola ng mga naka-green. Garce, binigay kay number 7. Pass to Garce. Ooh. Jump shot. Uy, there's a foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 16. Basket. Para kay Garce. Second shot para kay Garce. Basket, 2 for 2. Ay na, double team. Triple team, makukuha. Uy, there's a jump ball. Bola naman ng San Juan Integrated. Number 12. Pass number 10. Uy, wala. Rebound by number 7. Outlet pass. Pass to Garce. Oh, steal. There's a pushing foul. Bola ng San Juan Central. Number 12. Pinasa corner. Pass number 10. Jump shot. Short. Oh, there's a foul. Number 23, that is De La Cruz. Shooting on the line, jersey number 6. Oh, good. Basket. Pumasok daw. Wala. Hindi daw pumasok. Darcy! Uy! There's a foul. Oh, steal! Ayan na. Uy, behind the back! Wow! Nice shot by jersey number 17. And naisa para nice pass doon. Ang San Juan Central ay nasa Garce. Recover. Number 14, binigay sa corner. Ay na si De La Cruz. And there's a foul. Number 6. Shooting on the line, jersey number 23.
Pag third quarter, kahit hindi siya.
Ngayon, pagkatapos ng 5 minutes.
Pwede nang kaya.
Kahit ano na po. Pwede na po.
Thank you.
Okay po.
Ilan na yung babago?
Balcon green.
Dalawa daw po, coach. Coach, dalawa daw. Dalawa. Uy, walang tawag. Steal. Ay na, si Garce. Speed move. Uy, walang tawag. Ayan na. Binigay, number 10. Stop and pop, too strong. Rebound, pinasa sa corner. Umatake. Nag-aagawan. Jump shot, wala. Rebound. De La Cruz. There's a foul. Walang tao. Bola rito ng Salapan. Oh, steal. Number 12. What a fake. What a shot. Grabe naman yan. Pero walang tawag ate referee. Ibig sabihin, good po yun. Ayan na. Si De La Cruz. And there's a blocking foul. Number 6. Ayan na, si Garce. Uy! And there's a foul. Blocking foul na naman para kay number 6. Natamaan nata sa panga. Si Garce. Shooting on the line, jersey number 15. Garce. Ooh, basket. Second shot para kay Garce. Wala. Rebound. And that's a traveling violation. Pumuna pala. Pumuna. Baka malo ka. Steal! Oh! short. Ayun na, nagagawan. Uli. Sub. Lapit na. Substitution, all players from San Juan Central. Time remaining 4 minutes and 51 seconds. Let's go, back to the ball game. Bola ng Integrated San Juan. Number 8, all the way. Easy, 2 points. Garce, steal. Pass number 8, basket. De La Cruz. Steal. Number 13. Number 1, and that's a traveling. Sub, prep. Wait lang. Go. Lastimoso coming in for De La Cruz. Garce. Oh, bad pass. Lastimoso with the cover. Oy, steal. Good. Lastimoso, sidestep. Wow. Yes, sir. Para kay Lastimoso. Uy. Bad pass. Steal by Garce. Garce. Spin move. Uy, nasa foul. Napapauwi ang partner ko dito. Sub. Wait lang. Sige, pass na. Ay, free throw. Okay. Di, wala, coach. Pirito, shooting. Shoot on the line, jersey numbers 15, Garce. First shot, no good. Second shot, wala. Rebound, makukuha ng Central. Ayun na, outlet pass. Uy, out of bounds. Sub, go. Tawagin niya pa rin. Substitution. Okay, sakto na, coach. Uy, bad pass, steal. Ayun na, 3 against 2. Uy, short, rebound. Bad pass. Number 8 to number 13, basket. Ayun na, si Medina. High pick up, no good. Ayun na, outlet pass, steal. Pass to Medina. Hesitation, cross with a spin. No good. Rebound. Ayun na. Number 9. Pinasa sa corner. Jump shot. Boom! It's a 3-point.
Alive ba yan? Alive?
Opo.
Saan napapanood yan?
Sa ano po? San Juan City and Sports.
Saan ba?
Ayun na si Medina. Oy, what a sidestep! And there's a foul. Foul number 9. Shooting on the line, jersey number 22, Medina. Ayun. Nag-charge. First shot para kay Medina. No good. Second shot, wala. Rebound. Uy! Walang tawag. Ati referee doon. Ayan na. Steal. Lastimoso. Wala. Rebound. Rebound dito ng Salapan. Ayun na, pinasa. Oopsie. And that's a jump ball. Sub. Dede. Lastimoso. Pass to Medina. Step back to. Bang! 2 points para kay Medina. Another steal. Out of bounds. Same ball. Pinasa corner. Jump shot. No good. Out of bounds. Last 23 seconds. Bola ng Salapan. Number 21. Steal. Uy. Nakalusot and there's a foul. Shooting on the line by jersey number 24, Cuevas. Akap shooting daw po. Basket. Second shot, no good. Rebound. Ayun na, number 21. 3, 2, tira. 1. And that's the end of our first half. Official score 36-10 in favor of San Juan Integrated School. Alright, halftime tayo. Magbabalik tayo for our third quarter. Muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood at sa mga nag-share po ng ating live. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. This is yours. Elementary Division. Isa lang ata bola eh. Hindi na ito. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo.
Warning, coach! Warning, coach! Galing, galing.
Okay, bola po ng San Juan Central. Gets the three. Bang! 3-point by jersey number 6. Oopsie, there's a foul.
Galing.
Oh, there's a foul. Number 6, blocking foul. Garce. Pass to Medina. Steal. Ay na, number 6. What an extra pass to Nolasco. Wala. Nolasco with a putback. Wala pa rin. Steal. Ay na, bola ng Salapan. Number 7. Pass to Medina. Wrong pass. Ay na, nagagawan. Uy. Okay, sub. Go, 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 go. Manuel coming in. Good hustle play from both team. Bola rito ng Salapan. Garce. Oy, steal. Number 6 to number 3. Uy, ano yun? Substitution. Lastimoso coming in. Anong nangyari? Sabi ko lang para may tutupan. There's a foul. Number 20. 3. 21. Lastimoso. Ay na. Steal by number 23. Pass to Nolasco. Nolasco pinasa kay number 23. Basket. Time out. Salapan. Official score 41-10 in favor of San Juan Integrated School. Or let's say San Juan Central. Last 7 minutes lamang po ang natitira sa ating third quarter.
Verde, verde.
Okay, back to the ball game. Bola ng Salapan. Pass to Garce. Oh, steal. Number 21, no call, out of bounds. Bola ng Salapan Integrated School. Pass to De La Cruz. Sorry, that's Custodio rather. Pass number 21 with the steal. Ay na. Nolasco, wala. Nag-aagawan. There's a foul. Up. Number 6, that is fourth personal foul warning para San Juan Integrated. Oh, steal by number 21. Pass to Nolasco. Nolasco, basket. Medina, may hawak ng bola. Medina. Pass to Garce, another steal. Number 25, what an extra pass. Binalik pa ulit. Number 25 is good. Basket yan. Time out. Salapan. Five minutes and 31 seconds. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng Salapan. Back to the ball game. Five minutes and 31 seconds. Bola ng mga naka-green. Pass number 21, Manuel. Pinasa sa corner from elbow 3. No good. Rebound. Ayun na. Ang San Juan. Pinasa sa corner. Nolasco to number 25. Uy! Walang tawag ang ating referee doon. 47-10. Garce, pass to Medina. Medina, what an extra pass. De La Cruz, wala. Rebound. Makuha ni number 18. Uy, ay na, nagagawan. Steal. Ay na, good hustle. Naka-recover ang Central. Steal by Garce. Garce. Ay na si Garce. Uy, there's a foul. Sige, tawag na lang pre. Tawagin mo naman ang idol. To! Penalty! Rep! Shooting on the line, jersey number 15, Garce. Shoutout po kala Jerwin Tan and kay Kagawa Jess. Jess, di pa. Next game ata sila, last game. Ang Pedro Cruz versus West Grame, if not mistaken. Game po muna ba? Oh, sub. Sub. Garce, number 6 coming in. Ano, gumagana pa rin? Hindi na.
May 15%. Kanina pa.
Basket?
Ay, lang mga 15%.
Sub? Sa'yo pag pumasok ka. Basket para kay Garce. Wala. Rebound. Oopsie. Okay, go. Last time Moso coming in. And Garce. Bola ng salap. Oh, steal by number 7. Pass to Medina. And there's a foul. Number 11. Penalty.
Oh, si JP, duty second.
On the free throw area, jersey number 22, Medina. Basket is good. Basket. 47-13. Oh, steal. Makakuha ni Garce. And that's a traveling. Sub, coach? Mamaya. 3 minutes daw, 3 minutes. That's a double dribble. Wala na ang Salapan. Medina, pass to number 7. Pinasa kay Garce, 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 7, pass to number 12. Number 12, pass to number 10, 4-3, short. Rebound. Get that shot, wala pa rin. Arabas. Sub, go. All players of Salapan. Substitution. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 56 seconds. Bola ng Salapan. De La Cruz. Crossover using the board. Wala. Rebound. What extra pass to De La Cruz. Wala pa rin. Rebound ng Central. Last touch. Steal. Pass to Mavi. De La Cruz. And there's a foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 23. Mavi De La Cruz. No good. Rebound. What an extra pass. Oy, basket by number 21. Bad pass. Naka-recover. Steal. Number 7, akin na to. Wala. Reliable again. Kick out. Crossover. Binigay sa loob. Uy, that's a 3 seconds violation. Ayan na. Si De La Cruz. De La Cruz. And there's a foul. Number 11. Shooting the line, jersey number 23, Mavi De La Cruz. Basket. Time remaining, 1 minute and 23 seconds. De La Cruz, no good. Rebound. Pass to De La Cruz. Pinigay sa corner. Running shot, no good. Rebound by number 7. Outlet pass. Ayan na. Nagmamadali. Nakuha. Naipasok. Ni number 12. 51-14. Ayan na. Number 24. Uy, block. Number 4 to number 12. De La Cruz, running shot, no good. Ayun na, out that pass. Behind the back, binigay sa corner, number 10, 4-3, wala. Rebound. Pinasa kay number 10 ulit. Binalik. Oh, steal by Mami. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Tanga na bola. Crossover. Naka-recover. De La Cruz. Basket yan. Uy. There's a foul. Foul number 24. Time remaining, last 5 seconds. 5 seconds na naman po natitira. Ayun na. Number 11, short. And that's the end of our first. Sige. Okay na. Sige, ano na, tawagin lang. Fourth quarter na. Okay, end of the third quarter, official score 51-17. In favor pa rin sa San Juan Central. Ay, ano bagay? Baka may problema na yung baterya mo, boss. Hindi naman. Okay, shoutout kay Ate Mary Rose or Mary Joy Garce is watching, and kay Jadriel Ope Maria. And happy viewing po sa inyo lahat. Tayo dadako na sa ating fourth and last quarter. Bola po ng San Juan Integrated School or San Juan Central. Let's go. What a fake. That's a traveling. Garce. Steal. Ayun na. Uy! That's a traveling. Bola ng Salapan. Manuel. Pass to Garce. To Medina. Pass to Custodio. Run and short. No good. Uy! Sub. Kaya? Okay, good ba daw? Kaya daw po. Oh, steal by Manuel. Pass to Garce. To Medina. Drop pass to Manuel. Uy. Kapul. There's a foul. Shooting on the line ang jersey number 7. Hindi ka mabasa, idol. Sorry. First shot, no good. Parang si Manuel ata. Out of bound, time remaining 8 minutes and 28 seconds. Bola ng San Juan Central. Uy, good. What an extra pass. Uy! Nice pass. Last touch. Same ball. Pass sa corner. Nagdalawang isip. Santos. Kick out. Number 28. Fade away shot. No good. Rebound. Pass to Garce. Garce. Uy, nakalusot. Spin move. Uy, short. Rebound. Ay na, number 28. Walang tawag ang ating referee doon. Pass number 8. Good. Makakuha ni Medina. Outlet pass. Steal. Ay na si Aki. Marcos. And that's a double dribble. Time remaining 7 minutes and 31 seconds. Sorry, correction. 6 minutes and 52 seconds. Bola ng Salapan. Integrated School. Medina. Stop and pop. No good. Rebound. Manuel. Wow! Ha? Ay, sorry. Correction. Alfonso. Hindi ko makita, Brad. Sorry. That's Alfonso. Correction. Jersey number 24. Marcos. Oopsie. Substitution. Bola ng Salapan. Oh, still. Ayan na. Number 21, basket. Oh, still. By Nolasco. Nolasco. Wala. Wala pa rin. There's a foul. Substitution. Pumala guys. Pumala tayo. Side. Two shots para jersey number 25. No good. Last 5 minutes na lamang po ang natitira. Sub. Pumala po. Kailan? Wednesday? Meron laban dito eh. Ano oras yun? May laban dito, 3. Mamaya pa. 3 minutes na ba? 3 minutes. Ayan na, si Garce. Running shot, wala. Rebound. Uy, outlet pass. Nolasco, nabitawan. Uy. There's a foul. Number 15.
Sabi mamaya ka na.
Babata ko eh. Okay, back to ball game tayo. Bola ng San Juan Integrated School. Time out na po. Nolasco! Foul! Shooting on the line, jersey number 3, Nolasco. Shoutout kay Alonso Damian Kinan. Shoutout daw kay John Paul Bukol. Basket is good. 2 for 2. 55 to 19. Gets the 3. Bang! Time out daw pare ha. Wait lang pa. Ayun na. Time out. Coach, time out. Time out. Time out. Salapan Integrated School.
Abi, mamaya ka na. Abi, sa susunod ka na. Sa take na to, dalawa. Nakadalawa ka na. Pwede naman, gusto mo isa. Pwede mo isa.
1 minute tapos tayo mo. Papalitan ko lang.
Okay. Hala kayo dyan. Ayun na. Using the board basket. Oh, steal by Nolasco. There's a foul. Oh, pula guys, guys, pula. Parang sobra. Yan.
Abi, mamaya na. Hindi, si Abi, mamaya na si Abi. Mamaya na si Abi, si Blaine muna. Oh, Abi,
Sub ba? Hindi na. Sub.
mamaya po.
Oh, mamaya daw. 1 minute. Sabi ni coach. Hindi, mamaya na. Pumuna po. 1 minute. Uy! There's a foul. Dalawa pa. Graduate. That is second team foul. Jump shot, no good. Basket. Nolasco. Running shot, no good. There's a foul. Sub na.
Abi, mamaya ka na ha.
Abi, mamaya ka na.
Abi, 1 minute ha. Tayo mo.
Ayun na, pwede na tayo, no? Pwede na? Ayun na, pare. Time out. Salapan. Time remaining 1 minute and 3 seconds.
Ray, pag mo bola, tira mo agad.
That's a jump ball. Oh, steal. A correction. Steal na nga. Nolasco. Basket. Uy. Ayan na. Wala. Steal. Number 12, and there's a foul. Five fouls, graduate. Dalawa nang gumagraduate. San Juan Central. Shooting in the line, jersey number 12, that is Damian. First shot. Uy, sayang. Oopsie, isa pa. Second shot. Wala. Rebound. Ayun na. Pinasa. Number 10. Wala. Rebound. Ayun na. Pass number 10. Patirahin nyo na. Oy. Sayang umabot. Alright. Congratulations, San Juan Central. And a nice game para sa Salapan Integrated School. Our final score, 59 to 24 in favor of San Juan Integrated School. Ayan, handshake tayo. Congratulations, Coach Dan Nolasco, the rest of the San Juan Central. Muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood at magbabalik tayo para sa ating fourth game. Hanggang sa muli.